We're back.
Woo!
The most magical place on earth.
Yep.
The animal kingdom. So, we had a great time this morning. We went to Pandora, went to Dinosaur, did some stuff, went to the Cardinals game, took a little bit of a rest, came back. It's 5:30. We're gonna hit up Expedition Everest. Look, let's do it.
Yeah.
Wow. I love this park. We are now heading to the Tree of Life. I can see it in the distance. Wow. But we are heading to Discovery Island and going to Expedition Everest that way. We're in for it. Caleb, this is a good sign. A lot of people seem to be leaving and we are heading in. So I'm liking that. Ooh, Flame Tree Barbecue smells so good right now. We got reservations at the Satuli Canteen in Pandora. I hope it's good. Walking past Dino Land. We got the Finding Nemo musical up here. We saw that last time. Do you remember the song, Caleb?
What?
Do you remember the song from Finding Nemo?
No.
It's in a great big world. How's it go? I can't remember it.
That's how it starts. It's a great big world.
Caleb, there it is. We're about to go up.
You have to,
There, to the summit.
catch the creature.
I mean, look at this. This is amazing. Look at this. Where on earth can you see a mountain like this? Except obviously the Himalayas. But holy Lord, if this isn't the best theming ever, I don't know what is. Even though I'm pointing at trees. Uh-oh. People are going down screaming. That's gonna be us in a few minutes. You'll go fast. We are in Asia in the Himalayas. There's footprints of the Yeti. There's Everest over there. We are in the fast pass line, but it's pretty long. Go ahead. Alright, we are on Expedition Everest. 527 kid in action. Here we go. There we go. Every time we come, the track is out. Oh God!
Oh no! The track is out! The track is out!
Oh my God! Wow, this Tower of Terror way over there. See it?
What's the Epcot?
Yeah.
What's the I don't know.
Oh God, this is the part I hate. see the Yeti?
Yes, I saw Yeti.
my
He was
God.
up there. He's trying to grab me.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What a ride. Alright, so Caleb and I, we just rode this Expedition Everest. Unbelievable. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
Yep, we saw the Yeti. He tried to swipe at us,
He got us.
and he never does get us. Alright, we think someone's about to be coming down. There goes some people going up. Can't do it. There. Are they coming? Caleb, are they coming? Here they go. So Caleb, what do you think of Asia?
Awesome.
Yep. Is it a place where you would like to live?
Maybe. Well,
Maybe.
I won't know what they are understanding.
Do you think there is a Yeti lurking in the mountains?
Probably. Probably.
All right, we are walking through this horde of people. I'm bumping into people. People are looking at me, wondering what I'm doing, talking to a camera. But we're having fun. There's Everest. Here's a listing of all the mountains that they recreated up in there. So what do you see, Caleb, through there? Does it work? What's really cool is the peaks of this monument line up with the actual mountains. As you walk and see it. Is this Hindu or Buddhism? I don't even know. But it's cool. We're looking for monkeys, but we don't see any. They normally swing around in here. But they must not be out right now. Alright, we're still traveling through Asia. I've always heard this Yak and Yeti restaurant was really good. Drink Walla. Caleb saw a Yeti foot on the ground. So we'll have to eat in this Yak and Yeti sometime. Crazy looking sculptures here. Alright. I don't know where we're heading to. Here's Up, a bird adventure. I don't know if it's already closed for the night or what's going on with that. But yeah, they have Doug and Russell in there.
Where's Kevin?
I don't know if Kevin's in it. Even though he is a bird, he should be. Oh, here they are right here.
Where's the sculpture of Kevin? I want a sculpture of Kevin.
Yeah,
There's a bar over there.
Kevin is a legend.
It is. Alright. We are having some fun in Asia. Look at the view here. Does this get any better? Got some canoes down here or something. Caleb just bought a purchase of a bunch of avatar creatures. I think it was basically where we also got a Pandora ornament. So we're gonna come stroll back through here after we do the safari. What'd I say?
You said ornament.
I said ornament, I meant magnet. But we're gonna come stroll back through here when it gets super dark. I'll probably still be wearing sunglasses.
Because his future's so bright.
My future is bright. So we're gonna head over to Africa. Cue Toto. Lion King is in.
Yeah, we've seen it.
I know, but do you know where it's in? What it's in?
Africa?
Yep.
Oh, they should make a ride of the Lion King.
I know. I'm surprised there isn't a Lion King ride. We are strolling through Africa. I believe this is Tusker House. All right, let's cut through. We are Yep, this is Tusker House. I've heard that's amazing. We're gonna have to go here sometime. They have like a character buffet. And we are walking through Africa. We are off to the safari. Caleb, do you know what continent the safari's on?
Oh, wait, what?
You know what continent the safari's on?
Africa.
Africa. Yeah. All right, there is like a bayabong tree, Harambe fruit market. Looks like it's only a 45-minute wait, but we have fast passes, and hopefully we can get on in a few minutes. We're doing the night safari, and it's pitchy. It's so dark.
Oh, okay, guys. So right over here, this tan and white striped animal is going to be called a greater kudu.
All right, Caleb and I just rode the safari at night. That was very fun. You couldn't really, oh, I'm dark again. But I'll just keep talking. You couldn't really see any animals, hardly, but it was nice, cool, and something different. We've never been in Animal Kingdom at night before, so this is a new experience. But I really like the vibe here. Like, it's kind of like a dance party. People are, you can't see me, but just listen. People are having a party. We're gonna head over and back to Pandora now. All right. Unfortunately, you're not seeing much because it's so dark. But we are walking through Pandora at night, and it's amazing. Let's go to the waterfall. Alien-looking egg things here. I know, the ground is lit up.
That kind of looks like what we just ate.
It does.
Kind of looks like
Cool.
Oh, I have a great idea for a video.
Hold on there. All right. Caleb is feeling the heart. Let me feel it. The heart of this crazy. Oh, I'm doing something. It's doing something. All right, I know I'm hard to see that. I wish my camera would show the amazement of Pandora at night, because it is amazing. I don't know what I was trying to say there, but it's amazing. Wow. Everything's glowing kind of a blue-purple. Caleb's admiring the big piece of poo. Instead of the king and I, it's the dung and I. Featuring the hit song "Hello Dung Lovers." Caleb and I are waiting in line for the Bugs Life show.
Those buzz noise are kind of creeping
Oh look,
me out.
here's
Auntie.
Beauty and the Bees. A cockroach line. All right, we had a fantastic two-part day here at Animal Kingdom. The morning was great, the evening was great. We just got out of It's Tough to Be a Bug. I love that show. I don't know why. It's cheesy, but I love it. We are so tired. We can barely walk. Caleb's got blisters.
I have a family on my toe.
I can't feel the lower half of my body. But we are heading back to the hotel. Hopefully the bus doesn't take too long.
Yeah.
We will see you tomorrow at the Magic Kingdom.
Like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. May the adventure continue. Like, subscribe,
She said it.
blah, blah, blah.
Bye.
Subscribe to 527 Kid.
Have a Disney day.